Let's make easy homemade French onion dip. To start, we're going to heat some olive oil over medium heat. Add 2 diced sweet onions. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Stir in brown sugar. Next, we're going to add some balsamic vinegar. I really like the one from Trader Joe's, but whichever one you have is fine. Add some garlic powder. And if you want, you can also add a little bit of salt. Stir and let it cook for about 20 minutes until the onions are really tender and all that delicious sweetness comes out. Remove from the heat and let them cool a little bit. Meanwhile, you're going to take some sour cream, a little bit of mayo, whisk it, and fold in those beautifully sauteed onions. And you're pretty much not done. All I do now is chop up some chives for some garnish and grab some chips, dip, and enjoy. Thanks for watching. For more easy recipes, go to cheerfulcook.com. Bye!